the youth from 15 years have a lot of privileges compared to Africa, while the adult age remains at 18 years. Chika buzi, chika buzi, chika ile. Beast. It has the speed of the beast. And you see the beast is just cool.